Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 12th of April 2019. So, as we can see here, the pound is sideways and also creating a triangle formation there, but very quiet over the last few days. You can see there sideways. And I would expect it to remain like this now unless there's a surprise change of leadership or a announcement for a general election. But as Parliament has now taken a break until, well, certainly for the next 2 weeks for Easter, then I can't see a lot happening in this market, so be warned. Yesterday, the market again sideways, trading up and down. See the market being bought back here, a 76% retracement from here to here. And then eventually the market moving lower, but bouncing off the 200 bar moving average until it finally capitulates and moves lower there. News today, no news is the answer to that one. So again, as we head towards Easter next week, then also again this is going to add to the markets being fairly quiet. And the same in the Dow yesterday, the market moving down then coming back. If we look at this in more detail, you will see in the pre-market session we had a good run, closed above the 200 bar moving average just mid-morning, and then we had a bit of a pullback and then sideways. And then the market went into a bit of a sideways movement. A good range there, though, 50 points down, then back up. And then the market just put in the 76% retracements and double top here before once again breaking the 200 bar moving average and sailing straight down 50 points when this occurred. And then down a bit further, again another 25 points here before the plunge protection team do their nightly thing and brought the market all the way back, which you can see there. And in the daily chart you'll see prices coming back. So mission accomplished once more, keeping the market on the highs here. And also again you can see once we close back above the 200 bar moving average, prices then continuing to move higher. We had a look below here and here, but as soon as we get back above and also the DP level, we're back on the buy side of this market. Meanwhile, in Bitcoin, this down yesterday, straight down to the 76% retracement that we drew in yesterday. A bit more volatility, prices finding support at this level. And the 4 hour there you can see where the selling took place, still above the 200 bar moving average, but then being quiet on the overnight there. You can see prices sideways. And during yesterday's session we had the sell-off here. You can see where the market took out that 76% that I drew in yesterday, and then once we broke out of the sideways move, see this here, we're already below the 200 bar moving average. We then sailed to the downside, but then again it became so sideways and quiet. We're not just getting that momentum that we actually are looking for, which actually, let's just have a quick look at the average true range of this market over the last week. So we can see that it's starting to pick up a bit, but certainly in the right direction, but nothing to where we would like it to be. Certainly $400 range per day, really. We're just ticking around just under the 175. It shows you there. So this needs to pick up a bit, but yeah, it's certainly better. But intraday wise trading, we do need to see this increase a bit more significantly in order to take advantage. Otherwise you're going to be sitting, it's like watching paint dry. When you get down into the smaller time frames, that will drive you insane. So yeah, a bit more momentum, heading in the right direction, and let's hope that this continues. Okay, that's it for this one and for this week. Strange week, but there's still been profitable trades. But as a word of caution, going forward. Say Parliament's in recess now for the next 2 weeks, and we're also heading into Easter next week as well. So I'd expect not too much excitement on the market front going forward, unless there's something major that comes out of left of field, as they say. Okay, that will do it for this one. Have a great weekend. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.